aim trade realistic
Yeah, we're also
and
kind of both cool because your
realistic
thing
camper.
was literally as big as
He's right there.
my Iron Man.
Alright.
What the hell are you supposed to do? Go to every
I
single
put
person and
highlight
show
on.
them your project? So,
Oh my
we're
goodness.
both
Oh my.
Do you want to know something that happened?
Can we
Like,
lower
funny?
it? A bit lower. As
I know, right? I hate
speed to
I
25.
hate projects so much. I don't even care if it's in a group project.
Okay.
They just like I hate them so much. Like
That's what
because you
makes
don't know what
sense.
you're gonna do. How
I'm gonna go
one
back home.
paper
Take my
is
sister.
explaining how. Like, you know, that's,
I'm really
if you lose
bad.
that paper,
Don't
you
care
lose
about
it.
it. Stuff
Yeah, do you
on
wanna
me.
know something like really funny
Oh
that
my.
happened? So
Yo,
like,
please.
you actually
That
see it.
scared me.
So like Miss Fowler was teaching the grade fives about like
Easy.
the environment,
Ghost.
like not the environment,
It's on him.
the government.
It's just there.
The government, like the federal, the municipal people, and the provincial.
Wait, let's take a salon.
And then
I have to
we
put it.
came to Miss Fowler like 5 times. Miss Fowler did one mistake, okay? And me and Olivia started laughing because like we saw him go to Miss Fowler like 5 different times. And then while Miss Fowler was explaining the rules, like, not rules, but she was explaining something to us. We started.
Frick.
We started.
Oh my god. It's hard.
No, I'm not. I'm just saying it's small.
Mistake. Don't worry. Wait.
No.
Wait.
Yeah, that's not me. Sophia. Sophia, I'm not making fun of.
Wait, what is that?
Sophia.
I found the remote.
Sophia.
I swear I shot his foot, but alright. I'll change the maps. Here it is.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say.
Maybe. Factor, yeah, factor.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say that I lost my paper, and like, I just remembered like about a 3D project and the system, cause like I threw the paper out. Yeah, it technically is. It's not like a 3D model. It doesn't like move, but it technically is 3D. 3D is something that you move. 2D is like something that you draw. Mine too, bro. But like 3D.
Oh, you want invincible. I was like, what? Oh, you have to highlight it on. I forgot
I don't
that.
really care.
See you.
I don't
See you
care
guys.
anymore if I get